Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today we'll be drawing the Hulk using those markers. Those are Croma flagship markers. I pulled out a section of warm grays and a section of greens. Those are also a Copic multiliner and a Uniball Signo white. So one of the tricks that I have that I'll pass on to you, if you're using green as a skin tone for any reason, if you're drawing an alien, the Incredible Hulk, but really blue as well, or red, like if you're drawing like a demon character, take 5 shades of your green or 5 shades of your blue or 5 shades of your red. Take them out and take your skin tones, your 5 skin tones that you might use to do a face, and match up the darker colors with the lighter colors, and kind of in your head think about them just as skin tones. So use your darkest green as your darkest skin tone, and then a lighter green as your lighter skin tone, and so on. It's an easy trick, and if you can kind of fool your mind into thinking, hey, these are just skin tones, you'll get a less cartoonish face and a more kind of realistic green alien or Hulk or red demon. As you can see, I kind of work darker to light, and I'm throwing in some warm grays around the eyes, in the mustache region, in the lower part of the face. I do that for stubbles, for 5 o'clock shadow. Warm gray is a really good color for like the underlying on the neck as well, and as you'll see in a minute. It kind of gives it a little bit more depth and feel to the skin. I'll do that with skin tone as well sometimes, as you'll see probably in some future videos. And then after I'm done with the markers, I go in and I clean it up a little bit with colored pencil. And I'll throw in a little bit of light shadowing, as you're seeing now with colored pencil. And then I'll break out the Signo, and you'll see me throw in some light around the eyes, and some light on the forehead, and some sweat. Thank you guys for joining me today, and thank you for watching my video. If you enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.